Hello, everyone, and welcome to creating a shortcut in your SmartSimple Cloud system. In this video, we'll be taking a look at shortcuts, a few of the shortcut options, and I'll show you how to create a shortcut in your system that can lead a user to their profile. Please note that global administrator access is required for you to be able to create these shortcuts. What is a shortcut? A shortcut in your SmartSimple platform is simply a link that can be added to portals, which will take a user directly to something in your system. Shortcuts come in 4 different styles. They can be an icon, an aggregate, an image, or a text. The icon style shortcut can display a symbol with some text, an optional number like a count. An aggregate style shortcut can display a number like a count or a sum, with some optional text as well. An image style shortcut can display a photo or a graphic with optional text, while a text style shortcut can display text with an optional number as well. The look and feel of each shortcut style varies depending on the portal theme you're using and the shortcut style you have chosen inside the portal section. So for example, here are the same icon shortcuts in a different section, but in the website theme for the portal. Notice how they look different based on the section style options I have chosen. If I switch to another theme, the look and options will change. We've seen a few default styles for the icon shortcuts. Here are a few other styles that they could have as well. At the very top, you see them displayed in a portrait mode, while at the bottom, they're displayed in landscape mode. Please note that for best results, it's best to keep the same icon style in the same section. For example, all icons or all images should be displayed in the same section. Now let's go ahead and make a shortcut and I'll explain some of the options and settings along the way. Later, we'll add the shortcut to our portal. If you're going to follow along, it is recommended that you configure this on your backup instance first, make sure it looks nice and tidy, and then replicate the same settings in your live instance. Shortcuts are typically created in the common portal. To get to that setting, click on the menu icon, go into your global settings, go into the users tab, select roles, edit the common portal, and then go to the shortcuts menu. In here is where you see a list of all the shortcuts in your system. To create a new one, click on the plus icon. You can give the shortcut a name, give it a title. You can add a description if you'd like, or put the shortcut in a specific category. In this example, I'll select the icon style shortcut and give it a simple user icon as well. Now we need to decide where we want the shortcut to go. This is controlled by the action type. A URL will point to something in the system, such as the user's profile. A page will point to a page within this portal. A section will open a section inside a page within the portal, while this just takes the user to a system list view. I'm going to select URL because I want it to open the user's profile, and then I'll use the URL lookup to lead me to where it takes me to. For the object type, I'll select people, and then for the action, it takes them to view their profile. You can decide to open it in the current window, open it in a modal window, or open it in a new window. In here, I'll just leave it as the current window and then save. Now that we have created our shortcut, let's add it to a portal section, and then we'll preview our work when it's done. Using the breadcrumbs, I'll go into the user role /common, edit the portal, and then select the portal that I'm looking to add this shortcut to. I'll use this one as an example. And then scroll down to the section in which you're looking to add the shortcut. I'll also use this as an example. Scroll down to the very bottom, and then you see a list of all the shortcuts that are in this section. To add a new shortcut, just click on the lookup button, search for the shortcut that you're looking to add. In this case, it's the open profile. Scroll to the very bottom, select OK, and then you see the new shortcut you just added to this section. Once you save, you're able to move things around and reorder the shortcuts that are being displayed in this section. So for example, if I want this to be the very first one, I can move it around, and I can move things around as need be in this section. Again, once you save, you can use the breadcrumbs again to go back to the portal and then preview it to see the shortcut you just added. If I scroll down to the bottom, you see the My Profile shortcut that we just added. And once I click on it, it leads the user to their profile. And that's how we create a shortcut and add it to our portal in SmartSimple. For more information, please visit the SmartSimple wiki or email platformsolutions@smartsimple.com. Thank you for listening and have a good one.